Hi there, it's Mark Sebastian, the founder of Option Pit. This is the stock market and options volatility report. Reminder, this is for education purpose only, shouldn't be considered investment by options have risk. Again, now is the time to be reaching out to me about memberships. We're going to have kind of a cool package, but we've got our super secret double probation sale going on. In other words, reach out to me and I'll talk, and you can have a conversation with myself or Andrew directly and kind of discuss your future. Just email me, marketoptionpit.com. Speaking of marketoptionpit.com, how about this market? It is on the move. Volatility is taking it on the chin. If you want to kind of see how things are moving, we're up 1.4%. Vol is down, but not down a ton, right? Well, one, we've been moving around. Two, we did see a pretty significant vol sell at the end of the day yesterday, which to me makes me think that, we have, potentially some more upside movement, and maybe they were front running a bit of a volatility drop. The news today, unlike yesterday, yesterday we rallied on a tweet. Today we're rallying on what appears to be legitimate news out of China, out of discussions around the detaining of the Huawei executive. And all of that seems to be giving the market a real lift. You can see the NASDAQ's up huge. The S&P and the Dow are up in lockstep. And the IWM, which has been the market's ugly stepsister / stepbrother. The market has a gender neutral step sibling. Yes. Yeah, no kidding. And we popped well above yesterday's highs, and we have really just kind of run hot. NASDAQ in particular. The S&P, while, as you can see, if I pull up SPX, everybody's worried about the death cross. I personally am not. But they're, within a couple of bips of each other. I feel like we're set up to maybe run into next Wednesday when the Fed announces, or at least next Tuesday when we'll pause. That'd be kind of the second shoe that we've been needing to drop. Shoe one was, of course, the Fed kind of sounding like they're going to slow their roll. Shoe two, of course, the kind of trade breakthroughs, and we appear to be near some sort of trade breakthrough, or at least starting to see green shoots of a trade breakthrough. Looking at our sectors, the one thing I want to point out is how XLF still appears to be trading like garbage. JP Morgan can't get itself off the mat. It's up 0.5% after getting punched in the face yesterday. Could not do anything yesterday. Goldman still soft, but there is some strength in Microsoft and the tech area. You look at XLK, that's really strong, and XLV, which is pharma, and biotechs and energy, all strong. It's just this XLF and the utilities and then the kind of the stuff you'd expect to be slow holding us back. But XLF I'd like to see that really make a move higher, and then I think that sets the market up. Feels like we could have one of those serious up days where we're up 50, 60. We're kind of set up for something like that. We'll see kind of where we go from here. Again, watch Apple. As Apple goes, so goes the market. They were unable to tank it, thus the market closed flat. Today looks pretty strong. I'll be interested to see whether that bid holds. If it does, we could have an outside high day higher, and the S&P could make a run, at least to the 50-day and maybe to the 200. All right, everybody. Again, reach out to me if you want to hear about our programs. You can call me 888-TRADE-01 or email me mark@optionpit.com. Have a great morning.